Hi, I'm Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. In today's video, we will discuss what is robotic process automation. RPA is a software tool used to complete structured, repetitive tasks without human intervention. Many companies use RPA to replace the need for humans to perform mundane and repetitive tasks like data transferring. The use of RPA or bots to mimic business-focused tasks positively affects a business's efficiency, productivity, and work environment. For example, with successful RPA implementation, humans no longer need to collate payroll data, allowing them to use their capabilities for something of more importance. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.